don't ano the water, anak, ha? Because we need to...
Hi.
Okay, say hi. Hi, vlog. Come on, dali.
Hi, vlog.
We are in the camping site now. So here, this is the camper.
And stay, there's a tent. Coming up.
What's inside? Oh, wow.
That's our bed, and this is your bed, and that.
Yeah.
Vlog, it's right here.
No, that's Dad.
Where you go sleep.
We are three there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, why are you using my slippers?
What?
Yours is the gray one.
Hey.
Yung pala, may kabili kayo ng hammock sa ano yan, Dalarama? Meron? Nakita akong ganyan. Si Sis pa, bibili niya sa Dalarama. Wala yung panapin ni tatay. Hindi naman bawal yan. Hindi, no?
Wala naman daw fire ban eh.
Oo, walang fire ban. Okay. Baka mamaya lapitan tayo ng ano, management. Kuma, nangangamoy tayo ano. Hindi na tayo naligo, nangangamoy pa tayo ng... That's sister. Ayan si Pare Koy. Here is the camping site. Yeah, so here, we are here.
Ang ano nito, oh. Pawis mo na ako. Luis.